So, hello guys, and I'm back again. And today we are going to learn about buttons in tkinter. Yeah, we'll see what the buttons, how to create some buttons in tkinter, and obviously we'll give some simple commands to the buttons because now also we don't know all about tkinter. I mean, few people don't know. That's why after knowing some more things, we can give it some complex commands, which will be like take some entry widgets and all. Okay, we'll discuss for it in the later videos. But today we are going to discuss about buttons. So let me create a file named button.py. Wait a second. Yeah, they were screaming. It was loud. Let me cut up this file. Okay, I will save this. Why I need to save? Did I made any changes now? Don't know. Let it save. Okay, let's go to button.py. Now we'll import. So from tkinter import asterisk, and I think so. I will give an frame to our button so it will look a bit better. So first, let me make our window. So root is equals to pk and root dot main loop, root dot main loop. What's this? Main loop. Now we'll run it. So we'll check if our window is created or not. We have to wait for it. So I'm pausing the video and I will be back when it will run and our window will be visible. So our program is run and now we'll give its basics like title and geometry for it. So I will first write root dot geometry, and today also I'm going to get a bit I mean confused, so but I will use yesterday's number only, that will be better. I think so it was good. And then root dot title should be what it should be. Can we give buttons tutorial in Python? Okay, we are done. So these are some basic things we always do in tkinter. Okay, let's run it again and it's okay. We are done with our first works. Now, just we'll make an frame first, okay, to make it look better. So for making a frame, we can give a variable for it. Then we can write frame. Sorry for the wrong spelling. Yeah, this is the frame class. Then after we are writing frame, we can pass in root in it. Then we can give the border width, right? I wrote the spelling wrong, I think so. Border width, yeah, border width is equals to 3, I think so, will be better. It will not be so much thick. And then bg equals to background equals to, I can give blue. Okay, this is not the background of the button, let me say you. Okay. Yeah, this is not the background of the button as I think I have. Yeah. Then we can give the relief is equals to sunken. Okay, you can give it also sunken. Sunken should be written inside quotes or not? I think so. Sunken, literal sunken. Okay, yeah, it's okay. And if I run, what's it gonna do? Okay, sunken. I wrote wrong. Unknown relief is not wrong. This is wrong. I have to write like this sunken. Now if I run, it should run, but it will not do anything. Then also didn't do. Relief spelling is wrong or something. Uh, okay, yeah, the spelling is wrong. Here it should be E. I forgot to type it. Now let's run it. Yeah, so it's not showing anything because it's like relief. I have not packed it, but will after packing will not run. Will run at the last. Okay. So yeah, I've seen a mistake here. It should be U, not W. Yeah. So uh, as I told in the last video, we can't do inline pack for this. I don't know why. And if it's working on yours on inline pack, then I think so. There's a system problem on my laptop. Okay, so now I can make a button which will be B1. Then you have to write B in capital. Then you have to write button. Okay, so after writing button, we can give the same format like two brackets. Then we'll pass in the frame because we need a border there. Okay, we'll pass in the frame. Actually, not frame. Actually, we have to write F1. Okay, and if you are not using a frame, you have to pass in root there. Okay, so we'll pass in the frame. Then we'll do is we'll keep an fg there. Fg equals to foreground equals to red will be better or something else. Okay, red. Let it be red. Okay, and then we'll give an text to it. Text is equals to we can put hello. Hello. Yeah. So I think so. If you have shown me that shorts video, you have seen how to make buttons, but that was not a tutorial. It was just simple short video. Okay, I have done one thing wrong. That is, I have to pack it. I just forget it. It's a blunder mistake, and you should never forget it. Yeah, you can see, and you can see this is a there is a frame. That's why it's looking a bit more better because of the frame. Okay, this frame is looking better for it. If I would have not pressed the frame, okay, then it would have looked something a bit weird. It wouldn't look this much good, but anyway, it's not good, huh? Because it's not designed that much. You can design it with another colors. You can do whatever you want. Hello, it's not working. Multicursor will control. I'll just comment it. Let's see what happens without passing the frame. So you can see it has simple padding, but if I will pass in the frame, then it will have good padding and all. Okay, so that's it on the changes in it. Now we can also give a command to it. So first we'll write command is equals to, we can put hello. Okay, then put hello. We have to put in this thing. I wrote the command spelling wrong. That command, yeah, so the bracket is done. Now we have to call our function. So we have to first make a function. Then we have to write def. Then I will name the function hello. Then just like this, and just I will just make it to print hello world. Okay, I'll just make it to print hello icon learners. Yeah, okay. It's saying something wrong. So what's wrong? I can't understand here. Eh, this is wrong. No, it's not wrong. Then what is wrong here? Oh, yeah, I forgot this. Yeah. So hello is a function now, and print is the function which is used in hello. Okay, now I can give command is equals to hello, and hello it should be in smaller, right? Yeah, it's okay. Now if we'll run it, uh, what happened? Where's our screen? Yeah, we got it with a good looking face. Yeah. Now if I click on this, you can see hello Python learners. You just have a look there. You just have a look here. Huh? It will just be printing hello Python learners. We can also use something like for loops and all also here, but I will use input statement here. Okay, I will be like yeah. So question Q1 is equals to what Q1 is equals to input first. Hello, it's again wrong. Input Then we'll give an input of what is the module you are working with with. Okay, we are done. Now we'll just write an if statement here. If q1 is equals to wait a second, a call is coming. Yeah, I'm back. Actually, a call came. So if t1 equals to tkinter, okay, tkinter, then print. Wait a second again. Yeah, they are noisy, man. These things are too much noisy. Yeah. So then it will print. Okay, you are right. Right. Okay. So we have given a simple if statement here with an input statement. So let's see how is our this thing working. Actually, it doesn't have anything with this. But the thing is, this thing will come in terminal or no. We can do that thing only, but it will come in our page. Okay, so we can do it after some videos only. We can know it how to do. So whenever I will click this button hello, it will like it will ask us what is the module you are working with. I will write tk inter. Then if I okay, you are right, then we are done, nothing else. Now it how many times we will click see actually we didn't get answer for the before request of input, that's why, and then also we run the command, that's why this happened. But it will not happen again because we'll do it. Okay, it will show us that runtime error, the enter read line. Okay, no problem with. And today we are finished with our video. We can just go through another like tomorrow we can go through like entry widget in tkinter python. But for today I think so video is ended. You can just close your mobile or your laptop or your desktop, whatever you are using to read, and just practice, just write. Okay, just never remember this code like I have to write root the geometry, I have to call frame, just write it somewhere. Okay, if you'll be like I have to remember this, then you can you will become a nerd. Okay, you can't become a programmer, because in programming not only just like don't need to remember if you are not in a competition. Okay, you are just if you are making your own project or you are working for any project, you can just do is you can just open your copy, you can see, you can then again call it back. Okay, but if you'll be just like nerd, then you can only remember one module. I remember, like I know more than 17 frameworks. Okay, more than 17 frameworks. Those all code are written in my copy, handwritten notes. I can't just share those notes because those are horrible handwritings, but handwritten notes are there. Okay, 17 frameworks. It is 17 frameworks. Just Pygame and Ursina is not written because I have never wrote those. Actually, I've just saved those file in my folder that whenever I want to recall, I can open the folder and do. Okay, then also I will write. I'm planning to write it also. Like sometime it can come in handy. So just don't become a nerd. Okay, then you can't do programming, you need logic building. Okay, if you do logic building you can build anything with program. And python is the most powerful language, you can say. It has these many modules, whatever you want. Like I know from ai hacking development with data science. Okay, that's why I know 17 another types of frameworks, and all the frameworks comes in handy with me whenever I need. And I will also have tutorials for those, not to worry. So if you want to become master level programmer in python or whatever language you love, then you have to write it somewhere. Just don't become a nerd and remember all the code. Okay, and then also if you can handle it, and then I have no words for you. Okay, so finishing the video. Meet you again in next video. Bye bye, tata.